Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you to the 2020 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali Ultimate, and this is Walk Around Wednesday. So, first initial feelings about the new Denali Ultimate Sierra 2500 HD. Heads-up display, which is multiple colors, is certainly a wonderful feature. I also see here lots of other options, including obviously the extended mirrors, memory seats, fold-in mirrors, streaming rear vision camera, nice navigation system, heated seats, ventilated seats, exhaust brake, lane departure warning, front and rear park assist, drop tailgate, hazards, power to that 400-watt plug in the back, trailer brake controllers, USB, USB-C, 110-volt wireless charging capabilities as well. This vehicle also is equipped with 2 extra cameras to mount on the rear trailer so that you can see that feature when you come on here and go through your different settings. Okay? Also the implementation of the box cam, which is really big, especially utilizing the gooseneck 5th wheel package that this truck comes with. If you guys would like to discuss this 2020 HD or any of our other vehicles in our lineup, Jack McGee Chevrolet, Patrick Ferguson, 1053 Clonsilla Avenue, Patrick for Autos on Instagram. Check us out, 705-741-9000. Take care.